What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. I'm actually doing my mom a favor in washing her car, but I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my favorite detail products, and that is this wash mop right here. I'm kind of going in a fast motion because I decided to make this video last minute, but pretty much this mitt is a Wash Garage wash mop. You get two of these pads with the wash mop. I actually bought mine from Auto Fanatic off of his website because he goes ahead and modifies the mop head to make it more aerodynamic, a little bit more padding, and the wash mop doesn't go ahead and move all over the place. But what I really love about this wash mop is you're not bending over, hurting your back. It is a little bit expensive. Come on this side, please. A little bit on the expensive side. The actual mop itself, if you buy it from Wash Garage, is probably around $50, $60 with shipping. If you go ahead and buy the modified one from the Auto Fanatic, he actually charges a hefty fee, but it's worth it, of around $100 with it modified, shipped to you. It might be a little bit more than that. I bought this over the winter, but it has saved me time and time again, just because you can go ahead and loosen this up. There we go. You can loosen it up and make it longer, so you can fit, on top of the car, come all the way across. So it really helps with, trucks or SUVs or even cars. I even use this on my car when I'm doing just a maintenance wash, like I am on this Explorer Sport. It really helps and gets those nooks and crannies that you can't really get with a regular wash mitt. Also, you're not really bending over too much. You see, I can stand and do this with ease. That's something that I really enjoy and that I think is really awesome about this product, is that you can get everything you want. You can get some elbow room into it, and it really helps with the whole washing process. So a lot of people are like, why would you spend so much money on a wash mop? Well, in all reality, us human beings like to get things done effectively and efficiently. And yes, it costs a little bit more money, but I don't have the aches and pains that I normally do after washing. This is my second car I'm washing today. I went ahead and washed my Ford Fusion, gave it a maintenance wash with Car Pro Reset, and then I'm going to hit it with Car Pro Reload once I'm done washing this bad boy off. But yeah, I just think it's an awesome product, and I'm glad that I added it to my arsenal of tools for washing cars, because it's saved me a lot of time, because I can get the car done in probably around 10 minutes compared to whereas I was probably averaging around 30 minutes per car wash before. So that's helped me out a lot. And in my opinion, if you're going to use it, like I wash my car, I don't know, once a month, once every 2 months, I think that it's a great, or no, not once every 2 months, twice a month, sorry. I think it's a great, great investment. If you guys have any other questions in regards to the shop mop, or if you just think that you should just buy it by itself without the improvements, I think you should go ahead and, if you work hard for your money, I know each and every one of you do, go ahead and reward yourself, because over the years that you will be using this, to get a replacement head, it's only about $14 on Wash Garage. So all in all, over the years that you can use this product, this mop, I think it's going to pay for itself. I can do a whole car in about 10 minutes when I'm not really trying to detail it fully. So, in my opinion, it's a great buy. I'd buy another one, get it as a gift for friends, family. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, let me know. You can go ahead and comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer those. Thanks for tuning in, and check out some of my other videos. I make some pretty cool stuff, car reviews and car product reviews, anything really car related. Thanks for your time, guys, and stay tuned for the next video.